Hey, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, I shall teach you how to learn Industry 4.0. So, let's start the video. Introduction. Industry 4.0 is that the usage of fresh smart technologies for the enduring automation of outdated manufacturing and industrial practices. The Internet of Things, IoT, cloud computing, AI, and machine-to-machine communication, M2M, are all integrated at a large scale for increased automation. This whole process may analyze and diagnose problems without the necessity for human intervention. Technologies like AI, machine learning, cloud computing, database technologies, big data analytics, etc., are now a major need for industrial manufacturing companies. History. German engineer, economist, and executive chairman of the Planet Economic Forum, Klaus Martin Schwab first introduced the phrase Fourth Technological Revolution, Industry 4.0, in 2015-16. Industry 1.0. It was steam driving and production of machines with steam power. From 1870, steam power drove flour mills to grind wheat and other small factories. Industry 2.0. It was electric power production and driving machines with electric power. Machines were crude and manual with simple pressure, temperature gauges installed on the machines for reading the info locally on the equipment. Industry 3.0. Industry 3.0 was related to the DCS system, data gathering by remote sensors connected by cables. The major inventions of the semiconductor, PC, and thus the private computer and therefore the Internet marked the third technological revolution starting within the 1960s. This is often also mentioned because of the digital revolution. Industry 4.0. IT technologies are changed manufacturing systems from simple external combustion engines in the 1700s to today's AI and machine learning-based manufacturing where equipment communicates with one another using software technologies. Key components of Industry 4.0. Mobile devices, laptop, iPad, smartphone. Location detection technologies including sensors on the assembly floor. Smart sensors on machines giving real-time data. Big data analytics and advanced algorithms including AI and machine learning. Lights-out manufacturing minimum head calculate production floor with maximum automation. Wearable headsets and augmented reality with video screens for training. 4 Design Principles of Industry 4.0. Interconnection, connection and communication ability of machines, sensors, and other people through IoT and IOP. Transparency of knowledge, collection of vast amounts of data and knowledge from all points within the manufacturing process by operators to enhance functionality. Technical assistance, the ability to help humans with hard tasks. Decentralized decisions, the ability of cyber-physical systems to make decisions on their own and check out to try to do their tasks as autonomously as possible. Team dynamics and Industry 4.0 organizational structure in teams. In modern manufacturing organization, one of the highest organizational chart components is team and therefore the related concept of team development and team building. Teams are often both horizontal and vertical within the chart. While a corporation consists of multiple sets of individuals who combine their individual skill sets, management skills and competencies to figure together, the standard of the chart ultimately depends on the combined competencies of the persons working in teams. Any organization having quite 500 persons cannot function without task-based teams, and without clear team structure and assignments-based teams, the economic manufacturing company will collapse and pack up. Deployment of digital twins technology for vaccines and new medicines development. Digital twin technology has long played a task in medical research, specifically within the area of clinical trials, where they will help measure the effectiveness of a therapy by applying an impact to at least one of a genetically similar pair. A new company founded by a former principal scientist at Pfizer has developed how of digitizing this idea through the utilization of AI. Machine learning platform are built by Unlearn.ai that builds digital twin profiles of patients that become the controls in clinical trials. The Unlearn approaches the thought of building these digital twins as a classic machine learning problem, using clinical trial datasets from thousands of patients to make the disease-specific machine learning models want to create digital twins and their corresponding virtual medical records. These are quite simple medical profiles. They match people according to demographics, lab tests, and biomarkers. The idea is that by building AI-based twins, there's less of a requirement to hunt out similar actual pairs of people, actual twins, even to run tests. Using neural networks, Google AdWords, machine learning, and advanced algorithms. Google advertisement system is predicated on software cookies and on keywords requested by selling companies that want to advertise on Google. It uses these search words to prioritize and place relevant advertising on pages where Google's advanced algorithms and AI software determines the very best relevance. Clients companies of Google pay to Google when each user clicks on the Google searched and suggested the company to the selling company portal. The Google Ads covers the whole world and includes local, national, and international sellers supported the user's location on the earth. Google's text advertisements are precise, focused, 95% accurate, consisting of 3 headlines with a maximum of 30 characters each, 2 descriptions with a maximum of 90 characters, and a display of 2 internet sites links of 15 characters each. Industry 4.0 technologies being deployed in India. 1. Control-S. It is ranked as Asia-Pacific's largest Tier 4 data center and managed services provider. It has 5 world-scale data centers in Hyderabad, Mumbai, Noida, Bangalore, and Chennai. The corporate has more than 3,500 Indian companies and global multinationals as customers. The data center in Mumbai could also be 1 million square feet, having the capacity to host 50,000 racks and uses 100 megawatts electrical power. 2. ESDS. ESDS has great worth in banking and finance, manufacturing, education, energy and utilities, healthcare, e-commerce, agriculture, IT, entertainment and media, telecom, government and travel and tourism. 3. GPX Global Systems Inc. GPX has 30,000 square feet of a data center in Mumbai. It has a second data center in Mumbai is 60,000 square feet with 16 megawatts of total electric power use. GPX's customers have included telcos, cloud service providers, internet service providers, CDNs, e-businesses, and enterprise clients. 4. NetMagic, NTT Communications Company. NetMagic is a subsidiary of NTT Communications Japan, could even be a variety one managed to host and multi-cloud hybrid solution provider with 9 carrier-neutral, state-of-the-art hyperscale and high-density data centers. It serves from India quite 2,000 enterprises globally, including NTT Communications customers across the Americas, Europe and Asia-Pacific region. 5. NXT Gen. NXT Gen facilitates their customers to make their digital business without investing and managing complex IT infrastructure by leveraging its hyper-converged infrastructure. NXT Gen deploys and offers IT infrastructure services from both or a mix of on-premise resources and its own facilities, Infinite Data Center TM, empowering its customers to adopt the foremost recent hybrid computing model. AI and machine learning systems and Oracle EAM integration for Industry 4.0. Machine learning and AI integration into Oracle EAM. Oracle EAM to use AI to detect the maintenance schedules. Oracle EAM to use AI to predict a breakdown. Oracle EAM to impress the data directly from apps like Emerson Delta V smartphone app for updating its database. Industry 4.0 Implementation Challenges. During the implementation of Industry 4.0, challenges are being faced such as political lack of regulation, standards, and sorts certifications, unclear legal issues and data security, social, privacy concerns, surveillance and distrust.